landscape is constantly evolving, companies are always looking for innovative technologies to help them stay ahead of the competition. One such technology that has gained immense popularity in recent years is ChatGPT and generative AI. These transformative technologies can revolutionize how business interact with customers and maximize their potential. And to analyze the impact of generative AI in the world of business, the World Data Congress, in collaboration with Analytics Insight, has organized this event on the business impact of ChatGPT and generative AI today.
So what is generative AI? Basically, it's basically a type of artificial intelligence that can generate new content, so it can create text, like it can create images, video, audio, like, music. So it can actually create content.
I think there's an interesting question. Whenever we talk about ChatGPT, we ask ourselves, but what can it really do? What can it really empower us to do? That AI is not going to replace us, but maybe people who use AI might do a better job.
Have a look at 2020's biggest attacks and how much they cost. So Equifax, Yahoo, Uber, and WannaCry have lost $100 million due to data breaches and cyber attacks. Among these attacks, denial of service, distributed denial of services, network scans, bot scans, and botnet.
ChatGPT can enhance productivity, facilitate collaboration, and offer access to a vast array of knowledge. It has the potential to revolutionize problem solving and stimulate innovation. Striking a balance between technology and human wisdom is imperative to ensure a prosperous and enlightened workplace. So
what's so special on artificial intelligence compared to other quantitative models? So first of all, it works within rising complexity. This is very important. Then it can learn nonlinear relationships. And this is key, since at the end of the day, we always say AI is just a tool. It cannot predict the future, but it can react to a new unforeseen environment extremely quickly. And this is where then also the last of these features come in, it adapts very fast to market changes. And we have seen that
AI's language-related applications, such as natural language processing and generation, can automate customer service, generate personalized marketing communications, and understand customer sentiment. These can then drive more intuitive shopping experiences, tailor campaigns, and help us do real-time adjustment.
Embedding. So embedding is basically a way that you can take the text form and you transform it into a numerical format. And you want to do that because that it's easier to compare it to other text data. This is easily done by using sentence or word embeddings. And once you transform it in this numerical format,
I'm an employee at a company and I want to have a more productive environment where I'm organizing my day. People have done this with using calendars all the time, but here's a different kind of approach using ChatGPT.
Let's look at the evolution of AI. I think it's an important slide because AI is not something, a lot of people know about AI because of all of this generative AI. Of course, some of us are practitioners and have been working on it, but AI has been there for quite some time.
Because people confuse generative AI and with the data analytics and statistics. So I keep it separate. I keep internal AI is for the company who has their data, the data analytics, predictive analytics, whatever analytics you are doing for your internal company in which you are the owner of the data, you get the data, you process the data, you store the data.
The business plan is what we want to do, and the supply chain is how we are going to do it. So you can see the yellow part is what we want to do, and the blue part actually is the supply chain, is how we are going to do it.
Earlier, most ML models, they were predictive in nature. You feed them data, say you're feeding them images, and it can classify, say, cat versus dog. It can detect objects, so object detection.
So let's say I wanted to create a picture of a person exploring the Amazon forest. But I'm not that creative and it would have taken me hours to create something good. However, this is the picture I generated, and believe me, it took me less than 20 seconds to generate this picture.
We started building chatbots we started building voice bots, assistants, or maybe even ad bots, which can help us automate a lot of these conversations. So I'm sure that you would have seen a lot of lead generation bots on websites.